Okay, so we have the HW City Color Shifters Color Splash Science Lab. And we're gonna do a little bit of a demo here for you today. So we're gonna get this opened up. I've taken the liberty of putting the set together for us here. It was a little bit difficult to snap the piece together, but overall not too bad to assemble. So if you have a younger child, they might require a little bit of assistance. So in front of you have the set right here, which is assembled. You also have the instructions right over here and the card that comes with the set. We can take a closer look at the car that comes with it. It's white. There's the top of it there. That's more clear. So I have ice water in the tank right over here. I'm gonna pour a little bit more water in there. That's pretty much filled to the top. There is a small lever right over here, which when you turn on, the water will flow down. We're gonna get our car set up right over here, and all you have to do was pull this back. It's just a little bit of elastic, and you push this button and it goes through, and we will see the color change, hopefully. Okay, so I'm gonna hit the cold water switch on. So right there, I'm going to turn on the button, or hit the button right here. And as you can see, the car is turning into an orange color, and I'll do a bit of a close-up. You can see that the car is changing from white to orange. It doesn't totally get the entire car, but it gets a good portion of it. I've modified the track so the car should go continuously and not stop at the barrier there. And it worked. So I've modified the track so now the ramp is pointing downward, so it should dunk into the water and turn white. So let's see. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh yeah, and it did go in there. And it has turned white again. There are a few different ways for the car to change color. One is right over here when the water is falling. Water also falls from here to change the car that's right up over here. And then we have this tank here. You can fill it with warm water or cold water. I guess warm water makes more sense as it gets changed here. Cold water, and then it goes back into here. Warm water, it gets changed back to its original color. Okay, so we have the track set up with two cars now. We have this car right over here. We have another car right up over here. What's supposed to happen is I'm going to press the button just down over here, and the car is going to shoot up and come around and supposed to go down into this tank right here. This other car right over here is going to come around the back and down here. Should run smoothly. Let's turn on the water and take a look. Water is now on. I'm going to push the button. And it worked as it was supposed to. So that was good. I give this set 4 out of 5. It's a great set. A lot of fun, especially with the color changing. The only two things I have a little bit of a problem with is, one, it gets wet everywhere, but I guess that's to be expected. And the other small thing is the track was a little bit difficult to put together, just a tiny bit difficult. And the other thing is the cars do get caught up here and there, but those are a very minor thing. So overall, 4 out of 5.